market research, right? So what's a market research about? And what are all the benefits of market research? Okay. Do we need market research actually before starting a business or before initiating a high level project? Yeah, the answer is yeah. Your market research is going to make you very professional and pretty much stronger, wherein you get into the industry very strongly. Okay, so that's why market researches are being done, right? So, what are all the steps involved? What are all different types of important deliverables involved in market research? You identify the problem, you find out what's the problem, okay, and then you prepare a plan, you prepare a research plan. So, how you're going to solve that problem and how your research is going to solve that issue, right? You prepare a research plan and then you get on to the field in terms of collecting the data, analyzing the data, and scrutinizing the data. Okay, so that data is going to help you out, right? And that data is going to tell you whether to go ahead with the initiative or not, right? Yeah. So then the next point would be mainly on reporting, right? Reporting your data. So whatever data you have got, whatever data you have come out with, so you're going to report that data and you're going to come to a final product, a final shape wherein your market research has been done. Now you can go for a boom or you should stop, right? So either you can go for a boom or you should stop, right? So that's the complete strategy about market research, any market research. Okay. So now let's get into a few benefits of the market research. Okay. Very quickly, your market research strengthens. Okay. It strengthens your business. Yeah. So how it strengthens your business? It strengthens your business from within. Okay. From the base root of your business, and it gives the maximum result, it gives the maximum output. Okay, and then it increases your profit, right? Obviously any undertaking or any business you look at, you would like to improvise your profit, right? So your well done market research improves your profit. Okay, and then what it does, it also gives you the proper identifying channel to improvise on your roadmap. Okay, so now what is a roadmap? Have we heard about roadmap? Yeah, so roadmap is something about wherein you mainly look at how you're going to travel with your business and how you're going to move ahead with your business, right? So you lay down the roadmap and you travel according to it. So that roadmap has to be identified. You have to find out how is your roadmap going to be for you to make a successful business or a successful project or a successful entrepreneurial goal, right? So that roadmap. And then last but not the least, okay? Last but not the least, it's going to be about risk management. So what do you do under risk management? You find out a risk and you manage it, right? When you manage it once the risk has happened, right? Market research, such a fantastic process, is going to help you to eliminate your risk. Okay? So the moment you eliminate your risk, what happens? The moment you eliminate your risk, you need not even handle the risk. You need not even meet the risk. Okay? It's going to be a wonderful journey wherein you would be evaded from the risk factor. Okay, so folks, let's have a fabulous journey with market research involved, and we are going to have a lot of topics, especially on market research in the coming days, which is going to be helpful for a lot of brilliant minds. Okay, thanks a lot, folks. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Yeah.